How to fix GTA 5 not launching. So if you are a Steam user, firstly open the Steam launcher on your PC and then click on Library. Right click on GTA 5 game and then select Properties. You need to head over to Local Files tab and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will initiate verifying the integrity of game files and fix the problematic files. After the process is complete, simply try launching the game and see if this fixes your issue or not. Now the next thing you want to do is update the graphics driver. We all know how graphics and resource intensive game GTA 5 is. This means that not only do you need to have an efficient graphics card installed on your PC, but the driver should always be up to date. Update often brings bug fixes and compatibility files for certain games. So it is very important that you check if the graphic drivers installed in your Windows PC is up to date or not. Not only updated graphics will help you resolve GTA 5 not working on Windows 11 PC, but it will also improve your overall gaming experience. Right-click on the Start menu icon in the taskbar below and select Settings. From the left side, click on Windows Update. Click on Advanced option from the right side. Select Optional Update and see if there is a new update live or your graphics driver. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix GTA 5 not launching. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.